What's up, everybody? It's your favorite song and snack man, Mr. Victor DeVoe, LeBeau, Mr. VDL Victor DeVoe, LeBeau, coming at you with another banger. This banger I'm about ready to do is a tribute to one of my favorite spots that's no longer around. It was a beautiful spot, and a lot of people enjoyed it, and I'm about ready to do my little take on it. I call this banger, It's So Hard to Say Goodbye to Kwik Ways. How can I take back all the beautiful things that we shared? The good times after festival at the lake in the parking lot, which made us laugh. I can still remember the menu verbatim to this very day. It's so hard to say goodbye to Kwik Ways, to Kwik Ways. I remember the intercom not working, and you have to give hand signals to the employees to let them know what you wanted was always a great adventure. The ghetto beauty that it encompassed could never be replaced. It's so hard to say goodbye to Kwik Ways, to Kwik Ways. And I'll take with me the memories of a triple cheeseburger, french fries, fried chicken, prawn dinner. Throw in the apple pie and shakes too. Ooh. It's so hard to say goodbye to Kwik Ways, to Kwik Ways. That was It's So Hard to Say Goodbye to Kwik Ways. Go ahead and smash that like button. Also, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, share this video. You know I was getting down, right? You know I was singing. So go ahead and share this video. All right, everybody. Until next time, stay hungry and stay in love.